My name's Chelsea Baker. I'm an award-winning business mentor, author and speaker, and I'm here at GeoVital. I have had an amazing time. It's been 4 days of absolute mind-blowing information. I've been shocked, horrified, and pleasantly surprised, and just the information, the scientific data, the research, the evidence, and the results and the solutions that I've seen here today and over the past 3 days have astounded me. It's some information that every human being in the world should have this information and should know the critical damage of radiation, whether it be high frequency, low frequency, all the different types of radiation that are polluting and destroying not only the cells in our body but our lives. And I think it's absolutely imperative that people start just understanding the damage that is causing people to get diseases that's actually happening in their homes, the places that they live and sleep. So this is where I'm at today. I knew about geopathic stress and I wanted to further my knowledge. That's why I've come on the course, and absolutely amazing. I'm very happy with what I've learnt over the few days, and you'll be hearing more from me.